We are currently on our way to Coffin Bay from Port Lincoln. This is just going to be like a little vlog sort of oyster tour. So we're actually going to Oyster HQ and they do tours for oysters. So yeah, I'll put all the prices and what you need to know in the next sort of clip of this video. And yeah, pretty much I'm about 37 minutes from there. Arrival time is 2:20. They said to be there at 2:15, so I may be a little late, but the GPS isn't always correct, so we'll see exactly what time we get there, but I'll try to get there as fast as possible without speeding, obviously. But yeah, pretty keen to do this. It's a real different type of tour. You actually walk to like a little jetty and you pretty much sit down. I've ordered a beer with it, so you get a beer, a few oysters, and they do a full talk through about all the oysters they do there, so it's pretty cool. And I will be bringing back some oysters for camp later on. We'll do an oyster Kilpatrick again on the Ziggy, so that should be real cool, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, I'll see you guys when we get there. Let's go! So basically it's only a small group today. I think you said 5 of us all up, so just waiting another 5 or so minutes and then pretty much going to suit up. Got like these oval type of things that come up to here that are waterproof, and they've got like bench seats and you go and sit over there, so that's obviously why you need the waterproof vest. But yeah, I'll pull out the camera when we're there.
After we walk in the water like that, you can feel how to walk in the water with the wetsuit. Like that, I will explain everything about the oysters. I will show you how to shuck, okay? Everything like that. So my name is Winnie, okay? And you? Carrie? Carrie?
John?
John?
Chrissy?
Chrissy? Chrissy? Okay.
Steve?
Steve? And?
Justin.
Justin, okay. So you can hear that I'm from France, okay, with my French accent. Okay. So where are you from?
Canberra.
Canberra, okay.
Queensland.
Queensland.
Ah, okay. Queensland?
Perth, WA.
Perth. Oh. Access me. They keep it in the water.
I prepared earlier.
Something you don't have to shuck.
Hatchery breed oyster farmer go oysters. Up until January 2016, our old baby oysters, which called spat, came from Tasmania. Unfortunately, Unfortunately, in 2016, they had a disease run through their industry called post. That stands for Pacific Oysters Mortality Syndrome, which wiped 80% of the industry in 1 month.
Chinese.
20?
That's
Yes, also it's a good answer. Sometimes the people tell me 24. I say yes, lot of sense, but no. Good. Lot of sense. Here. Between 12 and 4. Here is the delimitation. You can push like this. Okay? And after you just push and drill. Okay? You twist and you cut. Okay? You can open easier. Now you clean your oysters in the water and you just need to push the last muscle and you flip.
It does look better.
How cool was that, guys? A little insight on the tours. It was $50 for one adult, and that included the 4 oysters that you ended up like cracking open and having those, and also I had a beer with that. So they go through a full walkthrough on everything, and it goes for an hour and 30 minutes, and I was that hungry by the end of it, so I went and bought 24 oysters, and Dad's just doing a Kilpatrick oysters tonight on the cooker, so
with stuffed squid.
and stuffed squid, so looking forward to that. We actually haven't done the stuffed squid yet, so see how that turns out. So this is the filling that's going inside of the squid, pretty much the squid tubes, the squid body, and we're gonna stuff that, and then it's gonna be pretty much cooked straight in here on the ziggy with the potatoes, so can't wait. Kilpatrick oysters, potatoes, stuffed squid. It's ready.